Hi guys, this is Jay from JDub Plays, and today we are going to be playing Birds of Steel, and I'm going to be going on to the historical campaign, or maybe missions. Actually, historical campaign. I've done all of the training and tutorials and basic flight controls and all boring stuff like that. Now I'm going to be going on to the Japan side, and I'm going to be doing Attack on Pearl Harbour. There's a little video attachment that you might want to see that that might be a bit interesting, and you might learn something. So I'm going to go on to that.
Japan entered the 20th century in a period of transition. A country which had isolated itself from the outside world was being reborn as a leading world power. It was opening to the world and hastened to catch up with its backlog in all the most important spheres of industry, such as shipbuilding, aviation, and engineering. Foreign specialists were invited to train Japanese engineers, and the Japanese themselves started traveling and studying technical novelties. Over several decades, Japan managed to catch up with its backlog in the technical aspect almost from scratch, and to realize itself as a power which should dominate implicitly in the region. As it started to gain power, Japan turned its attention to its neighbors, aiming at expanding its areas of influence and its territories. Thus, in 1879...
Okay, I'm bored now. Okay, so we're going to be doing Attack on Pearl Harbour. And, well, as I was saying, Japan was really powerful. That's what the two atomic bombs were launched against Japan on at the end of World War II. They took Japan out of World War II, even though Germany had been taken out. Germany was not Central Power. It was not the worst. It was actually Japan that was the worst. Now let's go to first wave, actually. What one am I? I'm going to go to first wave, and I'm going to do 2 missions every video, and we're going to be going on and on like that.
Japanese fleet received a telegram telling to open a top-secret envelope, the contents of which told that the Japanese Empire had decided to go to war against the United States, Britain, and Holland. On December 7th, at 0530 hours, the Japanese task force turned northeast. Hanakagi signaled the aircraft of the first wave to prepare for takeoff at 0615.
Okay, so that's just telling you a bit about the Battle of Pearl Harbour. Hey, let's do this thing! Yo! Please let me take off. Oh, I'm a bomber, but at least I have a bomb. I'm just dropping bombs in the heck of it. Why not? Why not drop my bombs already? And it turns out I've got no gear control, which sucks. Why does my engine do that all of a sudden? That's why I hate my engine. So I've got 4 wingmen, including myself, 3 not. What? Yes, I know whether the name's out of bombs. I don't really care that much. Now please get out of my way, big man. Ready, jump up. Yay! I'm gonna destroy that. Now let's see what... Oh, right, I just dropped the bomb. Is that the mission? But that was seriously a mission, that was like a sort of mission then. But I guess the next one. Okay. Now this B5N2 Kate. My favourite Japanese bomber, even though I don't really like Japanese bombers. Okay! So now I'm a B5N2 Kate for some reason. I have no primary gun, but I have got a secondary gun, which is pretty powerful. Okay, let's destroy this guy. He's the Axis, even though I'm Britain, which means I'm on the Allies. Okay. Boink! There we go. I see my torpedoes through water. There we go, I got a kill. Yay! So that wasn't the bomber. It turns out that wasn't the mission. It turns out I've got a largely longer mission. Now I have to fly back to the carrier. How far is it? That's quite a long way. When I get back to the carrier, I'm going to purposefully crash onto it because that's what I find fun. Right. I'm going to crash. Oh, I wanted to crash into something. Okay. So that was a successful mission. Well done. Well, great. If you do want to see more videos from me, like this, then please do like and subscribe. It'll help me out a lot. And let's go to the second wave. And also, if you want to become part of the Jada Plays exclusive notification squad, please do ring that bell. Yes, that's exactly what I meant to say. So let's go on to simplified still, because I'm quite new to this game. I played it quite a long time ago, but I'm playing it again for YouTube.
Flying boats, and the rest were to attack Pearl Harbor. Japanese pilots had maps to orient themselves above the Pearl Harbor naval base. The second wave consisted of 171 planes. 54 B.
That's real footage there. That's not real footage, but that's real. That's a real photo of a B-512K of Japanese aircraft carrier, which is pretty scary because Japanese were pretty brutal. By pretty brutal, I mean very brutal. Am I going to take off? Because I really hope I will. Am I going to take off? No, looks like I'm not. Oh, I'm sad. I wanted to take off. Look how many planes there are here! And I got 2 bombs. Not bad. Oh my gosh, that is the worst pilot in the world. He crashed when he didn't even do anything. Oh my gosh, why? I don't see why someone would crash. That's how you just crash in midair when you don't even do anything. Because only one pile of smoke down there, so he has to have crashed himself into himself somehow. I don't see why. I don't see the logic in that. But then again, I don't see the logic in most things. I want to get to the front. And I want to bomb people first, even though that's not very nice. I got no air brake, so I can't dive bomb. Dive bombing is my favourite thing in this game, and I don't have an air brake. You need an air brake to dive bomb. Creator of this game, Gaijin, you need to put air brakes in your planes. By the way, air brakes weren't actually on the B-512K. And oh my gosh, how much flak is here! OMG! I am totally wowed by the amount of excessive flak. That is over excessive. Very much over excessive. I don't want it. Why? Why? You don't need this much flak. Okay, run. Actually, no, I'm gonna watch my bombs fly through the air. It's a bomb in its natural habitat. No, I still need to destroy one. Okay, I'm kamikazing. I'm kamikazing for no apparent reason. Kamikaze! Oh. That was intentional. I meant to do that. Now, I'm going to hit your bridge and see how you like that. Run! Right. That wasn't that. Oh yeah, destroyed ship. Yeah. Okay. That is super laggy if you didn't know. That's like the laggiest thing I've ever seen in my whole life. So now I am on a Mitsubishi Zero. Not the car. Not the car as in Mitsubishi. Okay, I'm just gonna go in for the whole shebang. I'm just gonna destroy all these planets because I'm really... Because I'm one of the... I'm kind of a good... A PBY6? Not PBY5? Easy money. Well, not really money, but easy targets. They're not even moving, they're flying boats. This is just sad. Okie dokie. Let's put the flaps. Drive! Final number one! Okay. That was, well, that went out with a bang. That's what happened when those guys tried to take off in Pearl Harbor. Okay, let's need to fly back to the carrier. And I think it might be the end of this video and this episode. Because this has been pretty fun playing this game, and I'm going to be playing some more of it definitely in the future. How is this near the carrier? I don't see a carrier anywhere near here. Where's the carrier? Where is the aircraft? How did I teleport there now? How is that possible? You can't teleport. Okay. So we're going to have to leave it there, folks, for this episode. And if you did enjoy this video, please do leave a like. If you want to see more videos like this, please do also leave a like. Please do subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Still, if you want to see more videos, just do everything. So, see you next time for our other 2 missions. Maybe on the US side, maybe on the Japanese side. As always, next time, see you later. Bye!